Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad and I'm from Denver class. So because I get punishment by the teacher, so I want to tell you about some story and yeah, this is interesting story. So I want to tell you about um, the games traditional in my hometown and also I want to tell you about what am what do I feel what did I feel when when I play when I play some game traditional from different island in Indonesia last time. So to be honest, I'm so happy and I'm so delightful because I can feel again my my feeling when I was a child. For example, I can play my game traditional last in the past. Uh, I can play it in BEC. So, in my opinion, wow, this is so interesting. This is so good. And when I was child, many game traditional in my hometown is like the famous game is gassing. Gassing is like um, there is item to play it, yeah, and also we have to we have to put the items and we have to throw in order that that items can be uh, moved like that. And then there is in and also last time I always play many games uh is like hadang-hadang and also gasing and also snake stairs. uh I played with my friends, wow, and the situation is good. And you know, uh, I feel so quiet. And when I first child, uh, in elementary school, especially, you know, I always the game traditional over there. But right now, when I was young, I never the look at some children to play it because wow, in this era so different from my era before. I think this is modern era, so we seldom meet the the games traditional in Indonesia. Seldom. When I meet some child from elementary school or junior high school, I always look at them uh, is playing game in their phone, and I never look at them to play the game traditional. you know, to be honest, when we play the game traditional, uh, rather than we play on my phone, this is so different feeling. Why? Because you know, yeah, because we can learn many things when we play the game traditional. For example, we can know about uh, society, sociality. We can know about how to help each other. So, wow, we many thing we can get it. But on my phone, we just play on my phone. You know, this is so boring, bro. Because yeah, we just if we don't know about that game in our phone, yeah, we can look for from AI maybe. So this is so is not there is no there is no effort and but in traditional game we can learn anything. Yeah, and also we can get many experiences. From for example, when last time in this morning when I play some traditional game, I learn about how to play that game in different island, for example, and also I know different name of traditional game. For example, in my hometown, there is the name is jam. The name is jams. Yeah, but in my friend's hometown, the name is Tin Sing maybe. Yeah, wow. So it is, you know, it is so interesting, right? And there is one game I wanna talk about. That is throw stone. Wow, you know throw stone. I will tell it right. When I was a child, I always play throw stones with the girl because that game usually is was played by the girl. Yeah, maybe if I don't maybe so when I was a child and then uh I don't have a boyfriend. I don't have meet my friends from the boy. Yeah, but just there was the girl. So yeah, I just play with that girl. Uh, and then we play throw stones. But oh, I think this is so delightful as well. And also in my hometown, to be honest, many traditional game in my hometown. So I will explain the specific traditional games, right? Uh, wait. I will singing verse. Oh, what is the game? Oh, I know that. Oh, that is gasing. Yeah, gasing. Gasing is like a stone, and then we hold it. We hold it, and after that, we throw it. After we throw it, sometime usually when we want to play it, usually we have to have some another many players. Um, usually we need 5 players to play it. Ah, and um yeah, we need 5 players to play it. Wow, this is so great the games. And then there is again the another traditional games, that is um that is stones, what is that, snake stairs. Yeah, snake stairs is like cash. Yeah, it's like cash games. Yeah, but usually in that game we need 5 players or 4 players to play it. Yeah. And who will become the winner usually will give some gift. It's like, yeah, some snack or something like that. Or yeah, usually when there is someone else to fail, uh so we told him to buy something. And the canteen is so far from my school. So he said, "Oh my God, what do you mean? What do you mean, bro? Why you told me to buy something in that canteen, and that canteen so far from this school?" Oh, I'm so sad to look at my friends to because he said in the past, uh, and and then uh and after finished our class in elementary school. Yeah, usually we played football. Yeah, football just from the boy, but from the girl I don't know. I directly left them. uh, I just played with my friends from the boy. So and then sometimes we will fight by another class. Yeah, another classes, such as from different classes, such as six class versus five class. Yeah, and usually we will uh gather of the money. Yeah, we will gather of the money. Ah, we will gather of the money. Sometimes we will invite the money until maybe 20,000. Yeah, 20,000 rupiah. So and then we will give that money from 2 hour later. Yeah, and after that we played the football. Yeah, after when I played that football, wow, I feel I feel becomes Messi, right? Oh my God, my skill will be improved like chua chua. Oh, and then when that time in that time I feel so amazing. And then there is my and then my there is some enemy. The body is so big. Ah, but I don't afraid it. I'm brave to fighting him. Yeah, to fight him. So boy, I will do the new skill from Messi. Well, it's like Messi, right? Oh, so amazing in that time. And I feel confident in that time. But sometimes my group uh But sometimes, oh, I am so sad, you know, because my group my group were lost. So, oh, we have to give the the money to the enemy. Wow, So, oh, I'm so sad in that time. But sometimes um my group will win. Mm. And after that, there is uh another traditional games also. What's that? Um, uh, now there is. And then after I play football with my friends, so I will go back to my to my house. Yeah, to my house. And uh usually when it was 2 o'clock, I got out from my house to play it with my friends again. Sometimes my parents always were always told me that, Muhammad, don't get out in the evening, in the evening, in the afternoon. S- uh let's sleep, don't get out. My parents always told me like that. But yeah, sometimes, you know, I'm so boring in my house because in that time I don't in that time still not uh from modern era, right? Yeah, so we don't have phone or some modern technology. Yeah, so that's why when I was in my house, I always learn studying over from studying over of elementary school. Yeah, so that's why when I was a child, when I was in elementary school, I always get the first winner of of the class. You know, from uh from one class up to six class, I always get the first winner because my score is good last time. Yeah, because I always study over of the lessons. Yeah, because I'm still don't have uh smartphone in that time, so I never hold smartphone in that time. So at 2 o'clock, I always met with my friend to play some game. It's like NECA. The name is NECA. NECA, the items is like circle. Yeah, is like circle. And then we have to usually when we want to play it, we have to make some holding. Yeah, some holding. So and after that we throw it. We throw neck. We throw it. Yeah, we throw it. So who the throwing is so far, that is will become the winner. Yeah. This is so oh, that is so fun, I think, in that time. uh But you know, just I just play the traditional game when I was in elementary school, and after that, when I come to Islamic boarding school, uh, to be honest, that was uh, junior high school, right? But I came I came to Islamic boarding school for studying. So I study from senior from Islamic boarding school from 10 class, no, from 7 class up to 12 class. Yeah, up to 12 class in Islamic boarding school. Yeah, but when I press graduated from junior high school, and I will and I was holiday in my hometown again. I never look at again the traditional game. Why? The question why? Yeah, because in when in that time is the modern era. So many children, many many people just play by their phone. Yeah. For example, I seldom to watch football again in the in in the yard. I seldom look at it. Uh, I don't know. So that's why last time in this morning, you know, I'm feel you know uh I felt so fun, and I felt wow, so delightful, because the feeling that I ever feel that I never feel when I was that, because the feeling that I never feel again, I can feel in BEC again. So so interesting, right? uh I think, especially from in this era, may probably probably there is no someone else to play traditional games again, especially from my hometown. Wow, nothing person is that. Yeah, you know, always at the night they play their phone, such as Free Fire. Yeah, oh my god, always Free Fire. And then when I pass some circle in my hometown, I always hear fire, fire, pew, pew, pew. Like that. Whoa, what is that? Oh my god. I think this that is so bad. In this era, so bad. Why? Because it's not good. We, when we play traditional game, we can learn many experience. We can learn how to help each other with our friends, and it is like exercises, right? The traditional a lot of traditional game is like uh exercises, because our body will will move. Yeah, so if we just play game on our phone, yeah, we just using our mind to play it. So, if you always play game on your phone, you will be stupid. Yeah. So I will give you suggestion. Come on, bro. We play the traditional game again. And you know, that is so that is so fun, bro. Come on. To be honest, when 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 in this morning when I played some game, I feel I think like this. Oh my god, maybe if I have a magic, I want to be a children again. Why? Because when I was because growing to be young is so complicated, because I have to think about my future. I have to think about my plans for in the future. I have to think about how to get much money. Some complicated. So when I played some traditional games in this morning, I think if I have a magic, I want to be a children again. This is so fun when I was a children. We never thinking about our future. We never think about our goals, our plans for the future. We just think our game, right? We just think our food. When will we eating? When will we drinking? Yeah, like that. When will we buy some snack? Um, so uh, and oh, when I was a child, that was so fun. Uh, and then okay, I will explain you about my traditional games from my hometown. That is gassing. You know, gassing is a traditional spinning top that has been played for hundreds of years in many parts. Uh, it is usually made of wood, and a strong string is wrapped around it before it is thrown. The goal of the game is to make the guessing, spin for as long as possible. In some competitions, players also try to knock down or stop their opponents guessing while keeping their own spinning, right? Uh, what else? What else? Oh, okay. Let me explain how to play guessing. Right. The first, wrap the string tightly around the guessing from the bottom to the top. Yeah. Make sure the string is wrapped neatly so the guessing can spin well. And then the second, hold the string firmly in your hand. Yeah, like this. The third, throw the guessing onto the ground while pulling the string quietly. So you have to the string quietly, right? This movement makes the guessing spin very fast. Yeah, you have to spin very fast, bro. And after that, watch the guessing carefully. Yeah, the player whose guessing spins the longest is usually the winner. Yeah, in some traditional competitions, players earn points by making their guessing stay balanced or by hitting their opponent's guessing. And Many children spend more time playing games on their phones. However, traditional games like guessing are still important, right? Because they help preserve our culture and bring people together. So, in my conclusion, uh, we have to remember our traditional game because this is so important. Don't forget it. Yeah. And then don't always hold our smartphone because this is so dangerous for us. Yeah, because if you always hold your phone or your smartphone, for example, such as you are scrolling on the TikTok 24/7. Oh, this is so dangerous, bro. So we have to do some activities. Don't always focus on your phone. So that's all from me. And thank you very much for your nice attention. I am Muhammad and I am from Denver, guys. See you.